there's something strange happening in the Uptown area and they want answers. On multiple occasions, they've heard a loud boom, some even reporting the sound follows a flash of light. Jade Cunningham joins us now with what people are saying about this noise. Jade?
Well, they say that they don't really know what to think because it is just so bizarre and strange. I spoke with several people who tell me this has been happening since the start of December and nobody has a clue as to what it is or where it's coming from.
There it is again. What the?
Some motherfucking trumpets.
Like the hairs on the back of your neck, are they standing up at all? Just wondering.
Yeah, Lucy, this is literally a mystery that's keeping people up at night. These thundering explosions happening all over the Quakertown area. It's got residents losing sleep and police, frankly, losing their patience.
Loud noise that will not let up is plaguing a part of Pennsylvania. No one seems to know the source of the mysterious boom.
A loud, like,
I've been in the military. I've got experience with explosives. I was a Navy diver, and that was definitely not a gunshot.
What is that?
What?
It's coming from the sky.
Are you sure, Dad?
Yeah. Sounds like a trumpet though. What is that?
So scary.